Alright, so last time, remember I had paused this discussion and we're continuing it in this particular video. Now, let me imagine that you have 145 or 141 to 1. You have 141 to 1 this time instead of 140 to 1. You go in and they buy your US dollar, and in exchange they give you 140 Jamaican dollars. Let me just erase this S and this W before we go any further. We're not going to really use this at this time. We already know what to do in order to have the Cambio make money. All right, now how much money do they really make? In this case, the spread is $1. Let's see what will happen when the spread is $1. They buy your US dollar and give you $140 Jamaican for it. When they are ready to sell you US dollar, what they do is give you 141 Jamaican. They ask you for $141. In this case, they are making a profit of 1 Jamaican dollar for every, or for each 1 US dollar exchanged. All right, when this spread is 1, they're making a profit of 1 Jamaican dollar for each 1 US dollar that is exchanged between a buy and a sell. Now, suppose the spread changes to $2, 142. Remember now, right, before I remind you, let me just get rid of this and do my typing. We'll write that well with on a, what do you call it, digital tablet with a pen stylus. So the spread is $1. Now the profit is, let me see, 1 Jamaican dollar per 1 US dollar exchange. Good. So when the spread is $1, you make a profit of 1 Jamaican dollar for each US dollar in a buy-sell exchange. Nice. Now, it's now 142 to 1. I want this to be 142 to 1. So, what that means, the buy rate is 140 to 1. When they buy your US dollar, they give you 140 Jamaican dollars for it. When the sell rate, when they sell you 1 US dollar, they're asking you for 142 Jamaican dollars. Now, what happens? Let me copy. Can I copy this? Copy. All right, and then paste and modify it. Here, the spread is $2. Now, notice that the profit is now $2, 140 and 142. All right, they give you $140 and they take $142 from you. So the profit is 2 Jamaican dollars for every 1 US dollar exchanged. You see that? Now, let the spread be 3, the buy and sell. The difference between them, 143 minus 140, it's now $3. The difference between the buy and sell rate. So this number now will change to $143. They buy US from you for $140. They sell US dollars to you for $143. Since they're giving you 140 and taking 143, they're making a profit of $3 for each exchange, buy sell exchange. They're making a profit of 3 Jamaican dollars for every 1 US dollar that is exchanged. All right, so let me paste again and make an adjustment to this. The spread is $3. Now they're making a profit of $3 per 1 US dollar exchange. Now let's keep the spread as it is and imagine that it's now 2 US dollars that is exchanged. Now since it's 2 US dollars, you have 140 multiplied by 2. So it's now 280. You bring in 2 US dollars to sell to them. So they buy your 2 US dollars for 140 each. So you give them $280 Jamaican for your 2 US dollars. Now, when you're ready to buy US dollar from them, they sell you at 143 to 1. It's now 2 US dollars. So the amount of money that you have to give them now is 143 by 2, which is 286 Jamaican dollars. So this is 286. How much profit do they make? Same spread, with the same spread they made a profit of $3. Now 286 minus 280, that's $286 that they take in from the customer, minus 280 which they give to the customer, that is $6. So here now, the amount of money that the foreign exchange trader makes depends on two things. It depends on how much money passes through their hands, and also it depends on the spread. How wide is the gap between the buy and sell rate? All right. Now, of course, you will find that the banks have a certain spread. If the banks have, say, $10 spread, the cambio on the road might have a $15 spread or more. Right? Now, these illegal traders that sometimes sell dollars on the side of the road, they have a wider spread, and they're able to do that because they don't take any ID. They do their business much quicker. No form to fill out. No asking question about where do you get the money from and what are you going to do with the money, and if it's a certain amount of money, they will report the transaction to the government so they can investigate it and so on and so forth. All right? So they have a wider spread. The disadvantage there is that they might be facilitating criminals money laundering and so on and not know. All right, that's why they are unregulated and illegal. But you get the idea. The amount of money that the Cambio or other foreign exchange trader makes depend on the spread, how wide the gap is between the buy and sell rate, and of course the amount of money that is exchanged for the day. Alright, so we'll just pause at this point and we'll continue with another discussion in another video. So I will see you.